Let me show you how to use content aware fill to remove objects completely in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and select your image. Select the object you want to remove using the lasso tool or any other selection tool. Make sure your selection fully encompasses the object. Now go to the Edit menu and choose Fill. Then select Content Aware Fill from the drop-down menu. Then press OK. Photoshop will then analyze the object and fill in the selected area. There you have it. Drop a like button if you already gained something from this video.